Yeah, hello guys. As we already know, I've introduced this AutoCAD to you, and we talked about the tools here. Few. Anyway, we did not use it, but we just showed you what it is used for. So right now we are going into your proper survey, how to produce a survey plan with your coordinates, and if possible, we also teach how you can get your area and distance. Also, how you can use your survey plan if given to you and produce your maybe site plan or so. So let's go into it now. So let's go into it proper. As we know, we already gotten our unit. We already gotten our unit. Okay, let me go to what we said before. Yeah, you go here and you say open, and it will bring you to the page we have saved already. You go there, you say okay. So we have already gotten our units from our previous lesson. This our unit, we set it already. We already set this unit. So now what we do is to go back to that format and go to our point style. We go to point style. So these are the things you need to choose any of these points. So I'm choosing this one. This one is serving as my beacon number, as my beacon, So here is 5,000. We make it to be one. Why we are making it to be one is because the survey plan, the coordinate we want to use is just 4 points. It's just a small land. If it's a larger land, then we can make this to be 5, 6. Then it depends on how large the project is. So we just make this one, and we come here and we set size in absolute units. So you click here and you say okay. You have set your beacon, you have set your points. So this is what we are using. This is the coordinate we are using. This is other coordinate. This is the larger site, but I don't want us to go as far. I want this lecture to be so we are using just 4 angles, 4 points survey plan, so coordinates. So we are using this. What you do is you first go to, you can go to your polyline, but we don't want to use polyline now. Let's just first get the points. So you go to your command line and you type PO. You say okay, then you go to your and pick the, the, the first coordinate, which is a 2 numbers. You pick it, copy it, make sure you paste, you write it well without any gap from the comma, and you write the first one and you put comma without any gap. You write the second number, make sure it's like that, and you say okay. So when you have said okay, you are not saying what you did, what you do, just to type Z. You say okay, you type E and say okay. Now you can see your beacon. You can see your first point. Look at your first point. So you repeat the same thing you did. You come here, you write PO, you say okay. Then you go back to your where you save it. You pick it again. You pick the second one. copy it and you come here and you paste it again. You say okay again. If you did not see it again, you write Z E. You can see the second point. Look at the second point. This is how you continue to do all. So you go back here and you type PO. You find the third one, you pick it. You pick it. Paste it and say okay. So you have seen it. So you go there again. PO. You pick the last one. It's as easy as. So you click here and you paste it. So you have pasted it, you have gotten it. If you click on it and you see that you cannot move it, okay, it can move. If you cannot move it, you just type that Z, you enter and you E and enter, then you will be able to move it, or you just click on it. If you click on this thing, you will be able to move it. So it is movable now. So what we will do now to trace this is use our polyline. Why we are using our polyline is so that we can be able to highlight everything at once and get our area. So let's go here. You click here. You can see the points. You are getting your point. You can see it is clicking on your point because your OSNA, OSNE, this thing is on. If it is not on, if you are not getting the point, you on it. If you on it and you are still not getting the point, you just go here, highlight it and come here to set it and say select all. It will select everything here. Then you say okay. So that is just it. So now it is off. I think I've off it. So you just on it, make sure it is off. So you can be able to pick your point. You pick this. You pick this. You pick this. Then you say enter. You can see you have gotten this. So how to get the area, you want to get the area, you just click on this your line and you right click and you go to property. So when you go to property, you just scroll down, you can see the area. This is the area. This is the area of your land. This is the area of the land, the plot you just plotted. This is the area. So this is how to get it. Well, I hope you understood what we did. We just took light. So this is the area. So you understood this, and if you want to get both the bearing and other things, what you just do is you have gotten the area, you write the area down, then you come back here and if you want to get the bearing, the distance and others, you escape, you use your line, you delete this, you delete this, you delete this that you drew with you erase it, then you use your line to get the line. One by one, you get this. You go again. You go again. You go again. So we have gotten this. So what you do is you want to get the distance, the bearing, and the degree of this. You just click on it. You go to property, and it will just show you. So this is the distance, this is the length, this is the angle, both the degree and the minute, is it for this. So you write it down. You write it down. You already know the area. So let's copy it. Copy it as I will also copy it because we are going to make use of it. So just draw it the way it is. Use your pen and draw it and copy it the way it is. So what we got is we got this, we got this, and we got this, and we got this. So what we got is 33 points, 39 distance. Then our degrees, 99 degree, then 19. So we have gotten this. So you escape. Then you go to this and get same thing. So you get same things here. Length. The length is 12.46. The degree is 189 degree. Then the minute is 19 to 19 minutes. Okay. So we have gotten these two. So you escape and you get this. The length is 33.27. Then you get 272 as degree. Then the minute is 19 minutes. Let's see how we can get this. So you escape and you mark these two. What you got here is 16.52 distance. Degree is 8 degree. Then the minute is 2 minutes. So we have gotten this and we have also gotten the area. I taught you how to get the area. So let's go on and teach you how we can. So we are done with this. This is how you can get your survey plan. Then if you are given a survey with all these things we have written here, your survey plan will come with this information. If you are given a survey and maybe you want to produce your site plan, location plan, or whatever, how do you plot this? Some people will just do it freely and just do it because nobody's looking at it. But if you just want to get the accurate stuff, how do you get it? You just, let's say you delete, you erase this work we have done. So how do you get it? You simply go hold that you have measured. Now click on this. Click on this line. If you click on this line, you get your first point. If you get your first point, you just move it. Move it and go to your shift key. Shift at. Make sure when you say shift at, you make sure that this blue line this blue, you can see something indicating in a white background. So make sure it is there. So you now type your first distance. Your first distance is 33.39. You have gotten your distance. Then you go back to your keyboard and put this hold shift less than, less than. You can see the sign of less than 2 in this place. So you just press it, hold your shift and say less than. You can see it has come to where you are supposed to write. Then you put 99, you type D, 99 D, which is the small letter D. Then you put your 19 minutes. Then you hold your shift and make sure you type the sign of that minute. And you say enter. Enter. You have gotten your first one. So let's see how we are going to do this to make sure we get everything accurately. So you have gotten this. So the second distance, you make sure after getting it, you put your mouse, you direct your mouse and direct your point the way it is looking at in your drawing. Don't go up. Make sure you bring it down. So you say distance again. Make sure when you click that shift as, you make sure that this is highlighted on that white background. So you put 12.46, right? 12.46. Then you make it at shift less than again, 189 D, 19. So we have gotten this. So you shift it again the way it's supposed to be. Don't go down. Then you put at again 33 points 29, right? 27. That's down 272 D, 19 again, 19 degree. You enter. So the next one you go up, you just go the same way. 16.52. Okay. And 16.52 less than, less than 8 D, 2 degree. You close, you double click your enter and close it. you can see it is closed, but it is not exactly what we got. But let's allow it be this way. Just allow it this way. Then what you do is you pick your point and paste your points. Let's see what the distance is like. Let's go here and you get your property 32, 33, 9, 19, 0. The degree, the minute did not really rhyme, but it's okay. Let's leave it here. You go here, you escape, you go here, you get the property. Let's get the property and see what the property is like. The property of this. .89°. You did not get the 90, it's okay, but the distance are the same thing. Let's allow it be, yes. Please, we are getting something similar. Then you escape and you go here and you get the property. The property is 33.7, the distance is okay. Then 272, the only minute, it's only the minute that we are not getting accurately. Okay, that's okay. And you come here, you escape and you get this. You get this. You get the property. Let's get the property. Okay. Okay. Distance is okay. The degree is also same thing. Okay, but what we can see here is that you escape. It did not really join together. So what we do is just to join it together. Let's join it together. We just join this together. After joining it together, we go back to the distance and see what this distance will give us. The distance of this, let's see what it gave us. The distance, okay, it's reduced with just little. Instead of 33, it is now 39. Okay. Instead of 39, it is now 31. So let's go here and check this. We check the property. Okay, the property is same thing, same reduce. It's just this that reduce, which is almost nothing compare. So with this, we get this and we say property. The distance is same thing, the degree is same thing. Okay, so nothing change with this. The distance is same thing, the degree is same and nothing changed. So this is just how we can solve this and get this. After getting this, if you want to put your backup and label this thing you have gotten, it's very easy. What you just do is you go here and you say PO, enter OK, and you just click here. I think no. Let's repeat the process. You first of all pick your point style. Your point style is, so you pick this first and you go here and we set that already, but I removed this. I forgot to show you this before doing this. So So if you want to pick your beacon or your point, you want to show your beacon in this drawing and label it. After you have gotten this, you just go to PO, type you hit enter, just pick this. PO, enter, you pick it. One star. So you can see you have picked your, so you go again, PO, you enter and you point. PO, you enter and you point. PO, enter and you point. So this is, so when you have gotten these points and you want to label your beacons and every other thing here, you just pick this. This is your when you pick it, you just come here. Maybe you want to label this, you just come and when you have gotten what you want. Maybe you just want to write B C 199. Let's assume this is your beacon. Increase it. Let's decrease it. If you want to change the style of this, you can go here. Change it to whichever style. You can see it. So if you want this to come down, you just go here and also click enter. It come down. So it just depends on what you want. If you want to change the color, if you want to change it to that. So it just depends. After typing this, maybe you want to move it. Simply go to move. Maybe this is where you want to paste it. Paste it. So that's it. let's say you have highlighted this, you want to copy it, you go to copy, copy this, you paste it here, and you change it. You want to put one. You copy it, you paste. So this is how you continue to. So it's that easy, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood this. Maybe you want to level, you want to put the number too. You just do it, and let's say you want to put the number. Let's go on. Let's take this. Let's copy this. Let's copy this. You rotate it. So you rotate it and put it the way you want it to be. Copy 3.39. You change it. You change your color. Remove it. See, rotate it. Reduce it. So this is basically how to level. Maybe you want to, let's say you want to draw your road, draw your road. You want to change this two dots line just by layer. Or you want to change this dot, that depends on you go here. Okay. So this is basically things you can use. If you also want to name it, you can name it with your text. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood what we did here.